Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to the Fluent English podcast. My name is Ben, and I'm super excited you're here with us today.
And I'm Lisa. We're so happy to have you here. If you're new, this is the place where learning English feels fun, natural, and full of real-life conversations.
Exactly. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this episode with your friends who are also learning English, because when you learn together, you grow faster.
Yes, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let's train your brain to think in English.
So today's topic is super interesting: how to train your brain to speak and think in English.
Oh, I love this topic. Many English learners ask us, how can I stop translating everything from my native language?
Exactly, and that's the big secret. Fluent English speakers don't translate, they think directly in English.
Right, but don't worry, you can learn to do that too. It just takes practice, patience, and the right techniques.
So let's start by asking, why is thinking in English so important?
Good question. When you think in English, your brain becomes faster. You don't waste time translating words. You respond naturally, like native speakers.
Yes, and it also helps your pronunciation because you stop worrying about grammar and start focusing on real communication.
Exactly. Communication, not perfection.
Okay, let's give our listeners a quick question. When you speak English, do you still translate in your head?
If you said yes, that's totally normal. Everyone starts that way. But today, we'll show you how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Tip number 1, surround yourself with English every single day.
That's so true. Think of your brain like a sponge. It needs to be full of English words, sounds, and ideas.
Exactly. The more English you hear, the faster your brain learns to recognize patterns.
For example, listen to English music, watch short videos, or even change your phone settings to English.
I remember when I changed my phone to English for the first time. I couldn't find the settings button for 2 days.
Oh, yes. I remember doing the same. But you know what? That's how you learn. You make mistakes, and then you never forget that word again.
Exactly. Real learning comes from small, funny moments like that.
So, our first challenge for you: think of one small way you can add more English to your daily life. Maybe change your Netflix language or read English captions.
Got your idea? Great. Write it down or tell us later in the comments.
Okay, here's the second step. Start using simple English words in your head, even when you're alone.
That's a great one. For example, if you're cooking, say to yourself, I'm cutting the onions. I'm boiling the water.
Yes, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. You don't need complex sentences, just simple, clear thoughts.
It's like narrating your life, being the voice in your own English movie.
Exactly. You're the main character, the narrator, and the director, all at once.
Let's try it with our listeners. Okay, ready? Repeat after us. I'm listening to a podcast.
I'm learning English right now.
Good job! That's how you build English thinking habits, one short sentence at a time.
Now this one is powerful. Think in pictures, not in translations.
Yes. When you hear the word apple, don't think of the translation in your language. Just imagine the fruit.
Exactly. Your brain learns languages better when it connects words to images, sounds, and feelings.
So every time you learn a new word, visualize it, imagine it, feel it, see it in action.
For example, if you learn the word rain, imagine the sound of rain falling or how it feels on your skin.
And the next time you forget a word, your brain will remember the picture, not just the letters.
That's real memory magic.
Yes. And here's a quick exercise. Think of your favorite food. Got it? Now describe it in English in your mind. Just the images and feelings.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Learning English and getting hungry, that's a real problem.
Okay, tip number 4. One of our favorites. Shadowing.
Ah, yes, the shadowing technique. It means listening and repeating exactly what you hear, like an echo.
Right. You repeat the same words, the same rhythm, the same pronunciation.
It's a bit hard at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to train your brain to think in English.
Let's give them a short shadowing exercise right now.
All right, repeat after me. We'll speak slowly first. I can train my brain to speak English.
Good. Now faster. I can train my brain to speak English.
Perfect! That's how shadowing works. You listen, you repeat, and your brain starts to copy natural speech patterns.
Yes, and you also improve your pronunciation, tone, and confidence.
Exactly. It's like learning a song. The more you repeat it, the more natural it becomes.
And now, maybe the most important step of all. Be patient and have fun.
Ah, yes. So many students get frustrated. They say, Ben, I've been learning for months, but I still translate.
Yes, and I always say, that's okay. The brain needs time to create new habits.
Exactly. It's like going to the gym. You don't get muscles in one day. You train a little every day, and then one day, boom, you think in English automatically.
I love that. Train your brain like a muscle.
Yes, English fitness for your mind.
And while you train, don't forget to have fun. Laugh at your mistakes. Celebrate small wins.
Yes, every time you understand a movie scene or order food in English, say to yourself, wow, I did it.
Exactly. That positive energy helps your brain learn even faster.
Okay, it's time to practice what we learned today.
Yes, let's do a short interactive session. You listening right now, speak with us.
We'll say a sentence, and you repeat it. Ready?
Here we go. I can think in English.
I don't need to translate.
English is part of my life.
I enjoy learning every day.
Great job! You're training your brain right now.
Yes, every small practice counts. Don't stop.
Now let's share some personal stories, Ben. How did you start thinking in another language?
Good question. When I was learning Spanish, I used to label everything in my house. My fridge had a sticker that said refrigerador. My door said puerta.
So your home became a Spanish museum?
Exactly. But it worked. Every day, my brain saw those words and remembered them without translation.
That's a great idea. For me, it was music. I listened to English songs and tried to understand every word.
Oh, me too. Singing in English helps your brain remember pronunciation naturally.
Yes, and it's fun. even if you sing off-key.
Totally. The goal isn't to be perfect. It's to connect your brain and your mouth to English rhythm.
Exactly. So listeners, find your favorite way to practice, maybe through songs, podcasts, movies, or journaling. Whatever keeps your brain active in English.
Okay, let's recap the 5 steps to train your brain to think in English.
Step 1. Surround yourself with English. Step 2. Use simple words in your mind. Step 3. Think in pictures, not in translations. Step 4. Practice shadowing. Step 5. Be patient and have fun.
Perfect summary.
And remember, you're not just learning English, you're building a new way of thinking. That's amazing.
Yes. So be proud of your progress. You're doing something incredible for your brain and your future.
And that's all for today's episode of the Fluent English Podcast.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, and we want to hear from you. How do you train your brain to think in English? Tell us in the comments below.
We'll read your comments in the next episode, so don't be shy. Practice your writing too.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and remember, your English brain is getting stronger every day.
See you next time, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye!